Hi guys, welcome to the new studio, and today I'm starting with a great upgrade by the guy that knows probably about CanAm Spyders more than the BRP by themselves. Of course, I'm talking about Lamonster. Guys from Lamonster Garage, they came with this pretty cool upgrade that I wanted to put my hands on for quite some time. And in this video, I'll tell you why I have decided to change the regular fuel cap on a fuel tank. You will see how easy it is, hopefully, to install it even for the office plankton like me. There is the link to the product directly to the Lamonster Garage, so in case you are interested in, feel free to click. Now, why I have decided to change it? 3 reasons. First one, it's purely the design. The thing is that my bike, it's black on yellow, it's a custom wrap, and of course there is the last thing, the original lid, it's silver, so I wanted to change it. The guys from Lamonster, they are able to deliver it to you in a silver or black with the silver details, or black, just purely black. That's the option that I went for. The design itself, it's very simple but nice. The material, it's quite heavy, so I believe it's a good piece of, product. There is a biohazard sign on the top of the lid. Well, I'm not super big fan of it. I would maybe more prefer to have it blank and to put my own kind of a design on the top, but it is what it is, and it's not a big deal. One thing, however, I have noticed that it's not super cool. It's that everything is black. I wanted to keep it black, but the guys, either you guys from Lamonster, you are not sending those screws in black because it's probably quite hard to produce it, or you have sent it, but on the way from America to Europe, they have been lost. I don't know, but I think it's the first option. I will try to customize it a little, hopefully it will work. The second reason why I decided to change the fuel cap is because I'm lazy, and when I'm going to put a gas into the bike, I need to take the key from the ignition, open the fuel cap or fuel lid, then I'm inserting the fuel. Then of course I forgot that I have my wallet in the front, so I need to open it, and there's a lot of movement. Now to the serious third option. A lot of you guys are experiencing the same thing as I did. I don't know why, but the original lid, there is some problem with the system, with how it is designed. Maybe it's a problem with the weather, if it's too hot or too cold, I don't know. So guys, hopefully you can see it, it's not directly in one line. I'm a little bit monk in this respect. The whole shape or the whole fuel cap, it's a little bit on the side. And have a look, if I open it, it's all fine, but when you try to close it, you need to really use force in order to be able to close it, and I'm just simply tired of it. And now, office plankton is going to garage.
So this is the little booger we're trying to get to right there, and that's what the wrench is for.
Because I know my super skills, I need to protect the fuel tank. In 2 minutes, superpowers! To get this was pain in the ass. I lost the hook from Lamonster, so I designed my own, which is kind of, shitty. So it was really super difficult for me. Guys, I don't want to lie to you, it took me something like 1 hour or 1.5 hours to install it, simply just because my hands are way too big, I'm office plankton, and I was not following Lamonster video. So don't do this mistake, the link is under this or in the description, but I have to say I'm super happy. Another thing that I did by myself, I'm so proud of it, even if it was a small thing, but all the time I'm understanding the bike better all of the time when I put something new on a bike. This one looks cool, and it solves the trouble with closing the fuel cap or closing the fuel tank. So for me, it's absolutely awesome thing. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, always have fun.